Hey guys, it's Nick with Sanquist PE, and today we're going sideways.
Go.
This move is called the crab crawl, and it's awesome for building shoulder strength, coordination, and balance. You want to start out by sitting on the floor, placing your hands behind you and lifting your hips up off the floor. Your fingers should point towards your feet or out to the side if that feels better. Now what you're going to do is you're going to walk backward and forward, using your hands and your feet together. Try to keep your hips up and move with control, just like a crab on the beach. This move lights up your arms, your core, your legs, everything. Let's try it. Let's do 10 crab steps forward, then 10 crab steps back. Ready? Go. Here I come, here I come. I'll see you next time. And remember, be kind, be great, dial it in, and most importantly, keep on sending.